In a bombshell development, Special Counsel David C. Weiss has announced that the government intends to seek an indictment against Hunter Biden by the end of September. The news comes as part of a status report filed in the United States District Court for the District of Delaware, detailing the ongoing legal proceedings against the son of Joe Biden. Hunter was initially charged on June 20, 2023, with violations related to firearms and 2 violations related to taxes. The charges were brought forth after failed attempts at resolving the case pre-trial, including a proposed plea agreement and a pretrial diversion agreement, both of which were ultimately withdrawn. The Speedy Trial Act mandates that an indictment must be returned within 30 days from the date of arrest or the execution of a summons. In Hunter Biden's case, the summons was executed on June 23, 2023. Due to various exclusions, the report states that only 2 days have elapsed for the purposes of the Speedy Trial Act. This means that the government is required to obtain the return of an indictment by a grand jury by Friday, September 29, 2023, at the earliest. On August 12, Attorney General Merrick Garland appointed a special counsel to oversee the Hunter Biden probe. According to IRS whistleblowers, charges against Hunter were mysteriously dropped by Weiss even after he approved them. Weiss also appeared to not have total authority in his investigation as he had previously led Congress to believe. There are also allegations that Weiss hid damning evidence from investigators and that his office actively prevented its probe from exploring Joe Biden's prospective role in his son's business dealings. In late July, Hunter pleaded not guilty in a Delaware court after a federal judge refused to rubber stamp what was seen by many as a sweetheart plea deal. The news arrived amid reports that the proposed plea deal, after appearing null and void, was back on the table, but with a much more limited scope. But ultimately, Judge Mary Ellen Noreika rejected the deal, leading to Hunter's not guilty plea. Both the prosecution and defense teams were told in no uncertain terms that the judge could neither accept nor deny Hunter Biden's guilty plea due to the existing ambiguities in the case. The refusal effectively slammed the brakes on a plea deal that was thought to be back on track. The announcement of the intent to indict comes as a significant blow to the Biden administration, which has been embroiled in controversy surrounding Hunter Biden's business dealings and personal conduct. The indictment, if it proceeds, could continue to cast a shadow over Joe Biden's 2024 presidential race. Initially, there were attempts to resolve the case pre-trial, including a proposed plea agreement and a pretrial diversion agreement. However, these attempts were unsuccessful, leading to the withdrawal of the agreements. The special counsel's announcement sets the stage for what promises to be a high-stakes legal battle. Hunter Biden has found himself at the center of multiple legal storms, with charges relating to tax evasion from 2014 to 2019, illegal drug use, and firearm possession. For more updates on this developing story, stay tuned.